Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be stir-frying angled luffa harvested from my garden. This is a popular, comforting home-cooked Southeast Asian dish. It features tender, crisp angled luffa, sweet prawns and soft eggs tossed in a light, savory garlic sauce. Come along with me to my luffa patch in my home garden. Here we are, the vines straddle from the lower to the upper deck. I am looking for luffas which are between 6 to 12 inches long. They should have a fresh, vibrant, dark green color with sharp ridges along the sides that are still crisp and intact. These are too small and I shall leave them to continue growing. Avoid those with a large, bulbous bottom. The ones with the bulbous bottom probably are too fibrous, old and unpleasant to eat. So we want something like about 500 grams in weight, and it should be almost straight. The luffas, the straighter it is, the better. Okay. So at the upper deck, I also have some luffas. This one looks a little bit deformed. I think it is eaten by some insects, some flying insects. So, okay, so this one looks good. And there's one hiding over there. It's just the right size. Okay. Here we are, my first luffa harvest. Looking forward to luffa harvest, more of it to come. Now we have our ingredients: 4 cloves of minced garlic, 4 eggs. This is 1.2 kg of unpeeled angled luffa. I just discovered that every luffa has 10 ridges. I wonder whether the other varieties of luffas also have 10 ridges. Let me know in the comments. Here we have 300 grams of shell deveined, washed and dried prawns. The seasonings are the salt, anchovies powder, which is known locally as ikan bilis powder. It is a fine seasoning made by drying, toasting and grinding small anchovy fish. It serves as a natural, nutrient-rich umami booster. This is the Sarawak pepper powder. It has a bold aroma, smooth and emits warm heat. It's called the champagne of peppers. So first we need to season the eggs. So very simple seasoning, just a dash of pepper and a little bit of salt. Then you lightly beat the eggs. Okay. As for the prawns, seasoning is also simple, a wee bit of salt, then we mix it thoroughly. Okay, we'll put our prawns aside. Let's peel the luffa, just cut off the heads and the tails. You can use a vegetable peeler or our good old knife. So shave off the sharp outer ridges. So we have got 10 ridges to shave off for this variety of luffa. So also remove the rest of the skin. Okay, I'll go ahead and peel the other 2 luffas. Remember to give the luffas a rinse after peeling. So then let's cut the luffas. I use a roll cut with a knife technique. And this knife technique is used for long, round vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and zucchinis. Cut it diagonally, roll it a quarter turn, and cut again. This creates bite-sized wedges with large surface areas that cook evenly and hold sauces well. Okay, we're finished preparing our ingredients. Let's cook. Heat up 4 tablespoons of oil. So we'll stir fry our garlic first. So our plan is to stir fry it until it becomes fragrant and light golden brown in color. It takes about, I would say, 15 to 30 seconds over medium heat. Okay, roughly something like this. It's time for us to remove it and put it aside. Then leave 1 tablespoon of oil in the wok. Remove the rest of the oil. Then we are going to scramble the eggs. So we scramble the eggs until it is soft, tender, and moist. I like my eggs to be still creamy, as we will cook it further at the end when mixed with the loofahs. Okay, something like this is a bit firm, but it's not hard. Okay, let's remove it and put it aside. Okay, then add 1 tablespoon of garlic oil into our wok. So then we saute our prawns. And we're going to saute it for 2 minutes on each side over medium-high heat. So do not overcook our prawns, as in all seafood, overcooking will make it tough and leathery. So about 90% cooked will be fine. So we will remove the prawns and put aside. Then add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic as well as the oil. Stir fry our loofah for about 1 minute. Then sprinkle about half a cup of water. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. So do not overcook our loofah, as it will give off a lot of water. So then seasonings, salt, anchovies powder, and a little bit of pepper. Slide in our cooked eggs and prawns. So mix and stir fry for 1 minute. Okay, looks like it is cooked already. So the best and most classic pairing for this dish is a hot bowl of rice or porridge. The plain rice instantly transforms into a delicious meal, as it easily absorbs the natural sweet and savory juices of this dish. Sprinkle a little bit of this the garlic, as it gives it a distinctive crunch and nutty, slightly sweet flavor. Do give this simple, healthy and delicious stir-fry dish a try someday. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy cooking!